Okay, so I'm taking a video of the interior. I had to pull up out of the shade because it was sending all the bright sun, even though it's cold out. It was making the colors crazy. You know, Florida sun. What are you gonna do? Nice car. Even the lights work. Courtesy lights. Everything works on it. Gas gauge. Speedometer. Show you the back of the seats, how nice they are. Interior is beautiful. So again, because of the sun, see the courtesy light working over there? Because of the sun, it's making the color off just a tad. With my camera, I don't know why. Just Florida sun, I guess. Courtesy light working on that side. There's that sun. So just listen how these doors shut. Nice. No rattle. Here, I'll do this one too. No rattle. Nice car.